At Tactical Dent Texas, we specialize in expert hail damage and dent removal across Dallas and the entire DFW Metroplex. Whether your car has been hit by a storm or suffered a door ding, we've got you covered with fast, professional repairs. Our mobile service brings expert technicians directly to you, whether you're at home, work, or anywhere in Dallas. For larger repairs, we offer convenient pickup and delivery, so you never have to disrupt your schedule. Your vehicle is repaired at one of our trusted locations using advanced paintless dent repair techniques that restore it without the need for repainting or body fillers. Why choose Tactical Dent Texas? We offer deductible forgiveness, so in most cases, there's no out-of-pocket cost to you. We also provide a free rental car while your vehicle is being repaired and include a complimentary mini detail, ensuring your car looks its best when you get it back. Our process is simple and hassle-free. We work directly with your insurance company, handling all the paperwork so you don't have to. With years of experience and a commitment to top-quality service, we guarantee a flawless repair that maintains your vehicle's value. If you need hail damage or dent removal anywhere in Dallas or the surrounding areas, fill out our quick form today or call now to schedule your free estimate. Tactical Dent Texas. Fast, professional, and hassle-free dent repair you can trust.